This opening sets the stage for what sounds like a standard property dispute, but listen closely. Both sides accuse each other of hiding tens of thousands of dollars, and that means the court's about to dive deep into forensic financial evidence, one of the trickiest parts of any divorce case.
Ms. Wanja Kachogu and Mr. Warner were married in 2018. Ms. Kachogu came from Kenya to be in America, and she transferred Mr. Warner some money when she got here. They lived together they were together for approximately 4 years. We intend to show that Mr. Warner is asking now Ms. Kachogu for $30,000 that he believes or alleges was taken by Ms. Kachogu. We intend to show that a piece of property was purchased in California during that time under his name alone. That Mr. Warner makes a tremendous amount of money. He has some of $50,000, $70,000, which are accounted for. There are transfers to family members, multiple ATM withdrawals, all that have occurred during the suit. We are asking for the court to make a fair division of the estate.
Thank you, counsel. Attorney Layer, would you like to make an opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
We intend to show the court today through evidence several ATM cash withdrawals from a couple of accounts totaling approximately $65,000. With no explanation from petitioner as to where that money went. We have a counter petition on file claiming fraud, theft, you name it. So we are looking for the court to help us reconstitute the community estate with that cash. And if this California property creates any problem for a petitioner, she can have that. But we are going to seek reconstitution of the marital estate of that cash. And like I said, we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars through cash withdrawals made. No destination, no explanation. And so that's what we're going to be focusing on today, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Clark, you may call your first witness.
Let's call this Wanja Bishop.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you please state your name?
My name is Wanja Kashoku.
And you are currently married to Kevin Warren, correct?
Yes.
Who's sitting to my right.
Yes.
And prior to the filing of this lawsuit, were you a resident of this county for the preceding 6 months?
Yes.
And were you married to Mr. Warner on May 5th, 2018?
Yes.
And did you cease to live together as husband and wife on or about November 22nd, 2021?
Yes.
And
At this moment, you can hear how routine the questioning sounds, but behind it is years of emotional exhaustion. When a court hears that a marriage is insupportable, that's Texas legal code for irretrievably broken. It's the polite way of saying, there's no coming back from this.
are you alleging that your divorce has become insupportable because of a conflict between you and Mr. Warner that is no longer reconcilable?
Yes.
Are you pregnant at this time?
No.
Were any children born during the marriage?
No.
And were any children adopted?
Kevin has one child, but we did not legally adopt.
You are not the mother of that child, correct?
What is that again?
You are not the mother of Kevin's child.
No.
Thank you. You're asking for the court to divide up the community estate here today, correct?
Yes.
And you've cited a list of reasons and allegations in our petition that state the reasons why you're asking for it to be divided disproportionately, correct?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to grant your divorce today?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to change your name?
No.
Now, when you were married to, where were you living when you met Mr. Warren?
He came to Kenya and found me there.
Okay. And you moved to the United States at some point, correct?
Yes, he brought me here
Okay. And when was that?
in February 2018.
And when were you married?
We had 9 days to get married, so we got married on May 5th.
Okay. And when you came, did you bring any money with you?
My family sold some land to give me some money to survive on, and I transferred it to the account. I did not have any accounts to do it.
Was your name on the account?
No.
How were things when you and Kevin were first married?
It and really ugly.
Okay. How did it get bad?
He would yell at me and he would accuse me of not listening to him. He told me I was supposed to obey him.
This is where things shift. Wanja isn't just describing arguments, she's describing a pattern of control and intimidation. In family court, that matters, because any evidence of coercion or abuse can directly impact property division and spousal support. Judges don't just look at numbers, they look at power dynamics.
I'm not allowed to go anywhere. I'm not allowed to go anywhere. So,
Was there ever any family violence?
yes.
In what form?
He would physically and verbally abuse me.
Okay. What would the arguments be about?
Everything. I would just open my mouth and give him always say that he's having a rough day. He would complain about the food that I made. He would complain about the phone calls. If I called somebody and it showed up on the bill, he would yell at me and tell me I'm using his money. I don't know how much it costs to make money in the US.
Did you work throughout the marriage?
I started working in 2.5 years later.
Where did you work?
I only worked at Amazon.
And what do you do there?
Right now I'm an operations manager.
And how much do you make?
Right now I'm making 170.
During the first 2 years of marriage, did Kevin work?
He's always worked.
Where has he worked?
When I first met him, he was working at Media Corporation. That was in 2015, and then I think he was fired for some reasons, and then he started working at Uber. He used to work at Uber and work at Oak Tree Farms.
And to your knowledge, how much did Mr. Warner make per year when you were married?
I would say approximately 140 to 150.
Okay. How did you handle the finances with Mr. Warner throughout the marriage?
It was in a joint account. He used to put in the money there. Sometimes it used to be cash that he would deposit.
How large would the deposits be that he would deposit?
Maybe 2,000 to 3,000 a week.
Okay. Did he ever make any larger deposits?
It used to vary. It was never constant. It would depend on the jobs he would get from Oak Tree Farms.
Okay. Did he mainly support the two of you during the marriage?
He did. He supported us until I started working.
Okay. Now, during the marriage, Mr. Warner alleges that you made a series of withdrawals totaling $65,000.
I don't know what he's talking about. All the records are there, the statements are there. I've never had that much money.
Do you have a 401k at this time?
Yes, I do.
What's the value of your 401k?
I mean, now, but the last time I checked it was about 60,000.
And do you have how much money is in your checking account right now?
About 3,000 to 4,000.
Do you have any other property?
No, I don't own anything.
Okay. Do you have any other accounts with any money in them?
We did have a business account together. It has $10-12. I put the money just for the charges.
Do you have any bank accounts in Kenya?
The ones I had were through.
Okay. Are you hiding $30,000 or $65,000 anywhere?
Here's the $1 million, or maybe $65,000, question. Notice how calm she stays under direct questioning. That's key in testimony. A nervous witness might deflect, but she answers directly. What do you think? Does she sound credible here, or rehearsed?
Yeah.
Are there any other accounts with your name on with money in besides the 401k and checking?
Yeah. The only other account there was the combined account that we had and the Bank of America account.
Okay. Do you know what happened to the withdrawals that occurred?
The Bank of America,
Yes.
he asked for the money.
Did you, and you withdrew it and gave it to him?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And you did this in how many different withdrawals?
It was a series of withdrawals between, I think, June to September.
Does Mr. Warner, did he regularly make cash deposits and then make cash withdrawals?
Yes, he did.
And so, did you find it odd that he was asking you to do this?
I was really scared of him, like the only person I knew, and he used to put them in the
Okay.
and ask questions. When I would ask questions, he would take money and give me. And the one time he broke the deal, I had to call his sister and help me.
Okay. If you would have made these withdrawals without him, do you think he would have tried to stop you from doing it over that period of time that these alleged withdrawals occurred?
He controlled everything I did. I was not able to say much.
Now, did Evan ever threaten you with reporting you to us?
All the time.
What would he say?
Saying, when I send you back home, I'm gonna call the police and tell them you abused me, assaulted me. He would say that he's gonna scratch himself so that we can both go to jail, so we can have a clean over.
And one of those examples is in Exhibit 13, correct? And he says, in Exhibit 13, I just want to let you know, I know what you did and your file is F for that shit.
That's his daughter.
Okay. And then she said, I've got something for you. Let's see. I don't know. Did I get the hearsay?
Sustain as to what she said.
Let's watch it. In Exhibit 15 and 16. Can I push what show?
Yes.
Can you please tell us what these are?
This is Exhibit 15.
15. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to share it on the screen too.
Yes. Can you tell me what Exhibit 15 is?
When attorneys reference exhibits like this, they're not just proving transactions, they're building a timeline of intent. If that land was purchased during the same window as those alleged cash withdrawals, it could suggest asset diversion, a serious red flag in community property cases.
Please.
This is the money that I transferred to the account from Kenya when I was moving here. It was for my relocation.
Okay. And how much money was that?
This is a total of about $13,000.
Okay. And Exhibit 16, did I place it in front of you? Can you tell us what that is?
It's the same thing. So Exhibit 15 is $6,000 and Exhibit 16 is $7,000.
Okay. What was done with that?
When I came here, I had no access to it.
Did you trust Mr. Warren with your money? Did you always deposit your money into your joint checking accounts?
I did not have any accounts on it because I did not have any paperwork or anything. So
After you were married, though, did you engage in those practices of depositing your funds in a joint account with Mr. Warren?
when I started working in August 2020, I opened my business.
Would you adjourn?
Yes.
Can you tell us what Exhibit 9 is that place in front of you?
This is the land Ken bought in California in 2021.
Did you discuss the purchase of this land?
Thank you.
What was the land being purchased for?
Only for the 5 and 5 for statewide, not closer to this ground, that's one in the same area.
Was this land purchased before or after the alleged withdrawals occurred?
It's approximately the same time.
Okay. Do you know if it was before or after?
He didn't share the paperwork with me about this. Probably he didn't tell me.
He didn't tell you what?
Details of when it's by the time it's by. Like I didn't see this paperwork. He never used to share it with me. He just told me he and his brother that they buy land in California.
Did he tell you how much it costs?
He said it was about 160,000.
Okay. Is his brother's name on that deed?
No.
It's just Mr. Warner's, correct?
Yes.
Approach with this, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm going to show you what I have marked as Exhibit 1.
This is one of the most chilling moments in her testimony. It's not just about threats, it's about fear and isolation. Immigrant spouses are especially vulnerable in these cases, often manipulated with threats of deportation or police retaliation. Courts take these claims seriously, but they need evidence, and that's what this entire case hinges on.
This is Mr. Warner's checking account, correct?
Yes.
And this is during the marriage, correct?
Yes.
During this month, he has $56,000 in deposits, correct?
Yes.
He has a series of cash withdrawals throughout here, some amounts, correct, and transfers. Payments made to himself. For example, on April 11th, he has a $5,000 with ACH paid to Kevin Warner, correct? Have we seen any corresponding accounts? Can you speak?
No.
No? Was that a no? Do we know where that money went to? Okay, and that occurred during the marriage, correct? Okay, I'll have to show you what I have marked as Exhibit 2. This is a checking account from Mr. Warner's account from October to November of 2023, correct? That is after the filing of this suit, correct?
Yeah.
We have $20,000 in deposits, correct? We have a series of ATM withdrawals for $1,000, for example, on 10/21, 10/25, correct?
Yes.
10/31, $2,000 withdrawals on 10/31, correct?
Yes.
Do you have any idea where this cash went?
You want to share?
Another one on 11/9 and 11/14 and 11/17, 11/18.
Your Honor, I would object this to leading. I mean, is there a question here?
Sustain, don't lead.
Yes, sir. Exhibit 2, his bank account from November. Let's go to Exhibit 4. For how much did Mr. Warner deposit? And that was from December to January, correct?
Yes.
Exhibit 5. What is this statement? How much did he deposit?
It is not.
And this is during the marriage, correct? Did you see any of that money? You know where it went? Have you asked for documents in discovery? Have we been provided documents? Exhibit 6. Can you tell us the amount of deposits we have for the month of August 21, 2023 to September 20 of 2023?
1,637.
71,000. This is account with just his name on it, correct?
Yes.
This was during the marriage, correct? Have you been provided any of that money? And exhibits 3 and 7, we have 27 and 23,000 deposited for the months of November for those accounts, correct?
Yes.